In order to solve this equation by factoring, we need all of the terms on one side of the equation. So we're going to begin by adding 7n squared to both sides of the equation. That's going to give us 7n squared plus 63n plus 14 equals 6n plus 6. From here we can subtract 6n from both sides of the equation, and that is going to give us 7n squared plus 57n plus 14 equals 6. And last but not least, we can subtract 6 from both sides, and we will have isolated all of our terms. 7n squared plus 57n plus 8 is going to equal 0. From here we can factor. We're going to have 7n plus 1 times n plus 8 is equal to 0. And now we have to consider what will happen if each of these parentheses is equal to 0. So if 7n plus 1 equals 0, we need to subtract 1 from both sides of the equation. That will give us 7n equals negative 1. And then we divide both sides of the equation by 7, and that will give us n is equal to negative 1 over 7. On the other hand, if n plus 8 is equal to 0, we're going to subtract 8 from both sides of the equation, and that will give us n is equal to negative 8. So our two solutions are n is equal to negative 1 over 7 or negative 8.